They're attacking the pyramid. We need your help.
Must intercept them now! Find that artifact before they do.
Stay sharp. Could be traps.
Finally, it's all ours!
Look at this!
We're rich! Hurry! Get the gold! Move! Move! Faster! Don't let them catch up! Sandstorm!
In the land of Egypt, where ancient wonders stand side by side with modern life.
Life flows as usual, unaware of what lies beneath the sands.
But soon, signs of an ancient power begin to stir.
A warning, a storm of shadows gathering over Egypt.
The dead no longer rest.
A storm unlike any before, sweeping across the land.
Beneath the sands, something awakens.
The voice of an empire, long forgotten.
The world watches in disbelief.
This is out of control!
From the depths of history, the ancient empire rises again. The tomb of kings shatters, unleashing what was meant to be buried forever. From the depths of the desert, the first soldiers awaken. An army forgotten by time, reborn in shadows.
They march not as men, but as the empire itself. The skies burn once more with the fury of pharaohs long dead. The war machines of Pharaoh rise again, driven by death itself.
An empire reborn, a force that once ruled the world.
From stone and shadow, the god of death awakens.
The Empire kneels before its dark master, and the world trembles once more.
We are facing the return of an empire, but not as we knew it.
We cannot fight alone. There is only one force capable of facing this. Kong.
Send the call. Pray he answers.
And across the ocean, the Titan awakens to the cry of a world in peril.
From the shadows of Skull Island, legends step forth, the beast warriors of a new age.
We will answer the call.
And so, the Guardians of Skull Island rise into the sky, a force forged to face an empire reborn.
As darkness falls on Egypt, hope descends from the skies.
The Titan of Skull Island answers the call.
And with him, the beast warriors, forged in myth, ready for battle. In the eyes of men, terror turns to faith as legends walk among them. An empire long buried now marches once more upon the living.
They march as one, not men, but an empire reborn. And from the sands, the sky is set ablaze.
The wrath of pharaohs long dead falls upon the living world.
The sky itself becomes a weapon. This is not war. It is annihilation.
The war machines of an ancient empire crush the world of today.
No flesh can withstand the charge of the dead.
The war machines of old, revived for slaughter.
Terror spreads through the city as the ancient horde shows no mercy.
And Egypt falls to its own ancient shadow.
Before the storm breaks, the Guardians roar, and the earth itself answers.
In their fear, hope awakens. For the first time, the people see a Guardian rise.
From fire and shadow, they come peal, titans of the wild.
In their eyes, the fire of survival burns.
The Titan strikes, and the earth itself trembles.
The King of Beasts tears through the shadowed skyfire.
Fangs of steel rend the heart of the war machine. From the heavens, death reigns upon the Legion. The weapons of old shatter before his wrath. Even in chaos, shadows kill with quiet precision. The wild fights as one pain, an army no empire can tame. But the horde grows ever thicker, surrounding them like the desert itself.
And so, the Guardians charge, not against an army, but against history itself.
From the age of men, fire and steel answer the call, standing with the wild against the ancient horde.
From the abyss of time, the Empire strikes back moaning. Fire against steel, chaos against order.
Steel and fang shatter the ancient riders. The line breaks beneath them. From above and below, the beasts carve chaos into the ranks of the dead. From the sky, the desert burns with 2 ages of war. Fury against fury, chaos without end.
From the abyss of time, a god of war awakens.
Their master has returned. Power that bends earth and sky. Will not fall. The true battle begins. The beast turns a desert. The living bring fire to the dead. In unity, they shatter the ancient army.
Mothers hold children high. Soldiers drop weapons and embrace.
This victory is only the beginning.